I know this doesn't look all that fancy, just sitting here in a cardboard box with the word gray on it, but in a moment, when we reveal the contents of this box, I think your jaw may go from here to here as we introduce you to a premium golf cart bag that looks as good as something you might see the professionals use on TV, but at a fraction of the cost. Are you in? Let's do it. Straight ahead. Hi friends, Bill here, and today we are going to take an up-close look at this premium cart bag, as indicated by the words premium cart bag on the box, coming to us from RevCore Golf by way of CaddyDaddyGolf.com. And it's ironic in some ways because the box is plain, the word gray is not exactly jumping off the page at us. But when we take this out of the box, I think you're going to be blown away by the sleekness, the overall coolness, the quality of the build, the functionality of the bag. As this beauty comes out of the bag ready to roll for you. Now, we're going to take a guided tour around the perimeter, around the inside, around every aspect of this bag. Before we do, let me just point out the obvious that grabs the eye instantly, and that is the customization that goes on the ball pocket. In this case, we've got the Michigan Golf Live logo, but you could put anything here you want to. You can put a family photo, you can put your corporate logo, you could put your favorite phrase, whatever it is. And to help keep the cost more reasonable, it's not embroidered, which gives them more flexibility, by the way, to directly match the logo file that you upload. This is screen printed on, but it's a very heavy quality screen print where I can't scrape anything off. It's not going to come peeling off. So that's where we start with that customization, but let's take kind of a head-to-toe tour of the rest of this premium bag and what makes it so special so you can get a better feel for it. Starting at the top, we have a 14-way, fully enclosed individual divider system to keep your clubs safe and separated. You move all the way around the edges of this bag, and it's an ultra-durable synthetic leather construction, and there's a foam-backed liner inside that helps prevent the fabric wrinkles. There are two oversized cooler pockets that have drains in them, so you can put a little ice in there to keep your beverages cold and then not have to worry about it leaking all over the car later. There are two single zipper felt-lined waterproof pockets for your rangefinder, your phone, your valuables, somewhere to keep the things that you definitely don't want to lose. All the way around, all of the pockets are featuring black nickel alloy metal hardware zippers. These are not going to break off in your hands. These are really high quality. In the front, we have a large front putter well, and there's a no-ledge design for those large putter grips. It seems like so many bags these days that have a big well for putters don't allow for a large grip to slide down in there, and here we are in this world of the fatter putter grips. This one's going to accommodate that very well for you. We've got velvet-lined top dividers to keep all the shafts protected, an ergonomic rubber carrying handle, and integrated lower carrying handles. We don't want you throwing your back out when you pick up your bag. There are two custom metal towel rings with Velcro glove attachments, so you can hang your glove on either side, let it get dried out after a sweaty round of golf. An umbrella holder and loop, and then around the backside, a heavily padded shoulder strap for that transportation from the car to the cart. One of the things that I really enjoy is the stay flat base with some outside feet that prevents tipping. Once you get the bag loaded with clubs and your rain gear and all the other things, you want to be able to set it somewhere and not hear that awful crashing sound come down around you. And so to wrap things up, 9 pockets all around the perimeter of this bag, the 14-way club divider up top, the large putter well that will accommodate the jumbo grip that you may have on your putter, and all of this in a super sleek quality build package at a really, really good value. What's that? You say you really like this bag and might want to get one for yourself? Make sure you use the promo code MGL25. MGL25. You'll get 15% off and free shipping. MGL25. All the information is in the description below. Thank you for watching. I hope you'll subscribe. And if there's anything you'd like to see us review for you, let us know in the comments.